Alright, how to delete Polay.AI chats on website. If you've been chatting on Polay.AI and want to delete some old chats, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. So first, open your browser, Chrome, Edge, or whatever you use, and go to poly.buzz.ai. There. So log into your account if you're not already. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So next, go ahead and open any chat you've already started, like this one. You'll see your conversation on the left sidebar here. Now, if you just want to hide a chat, you can click on that chat, then hit the three dot icon next to it. You'll see a hide option, this one, and that'll remove it from the view, but it's not gone permanently. If you want to fully delete a chat, here's how. So click on the menu and go to create character, this one. Once you're there, you can scroll down and you'll see a list of your previous chats. Each one will have a trash can icon in the top right corner. Click that and confirm the deletion, and that chat is gone for good. So yeah, that's how to delete chats on Polay.AI. Whether you just want to hide them or remove them permanently. Quick and easy. Hope that helped and catch you in the next one.